Okay, hey y'all. So I have this beautiful wig from Luvwin Hair. This is the bag, and I'm gonna open it up for y'all and show y'all what's inside of it. So it came with a shower cap, which I thought was a bonnet at first, but it's a shower cap. I think you can use it interchangeably, so that was cute. Next, it came with the sheer wig caps, which are amazing for HD lace, and you will see how well it laid too. Next, I got some lashes, of course. You know, they always make sure you get the lashes. And I got a edge brush. The comb is kind of long on the end, but it kind of came in clutch. So, edge brush. And then a headband. I don't really ever use the headbands, but I don't know. Maybe I will. Who knows? And the wig, y'all, she is so beautiful. So beautiful. Now let's get into the rest of this video. So I got my little flat twist going on because I cannot braid my own hair. And I put my Do Grow Mega Long, and then I mixed it with Sulfur 8. That's why it's green. That's my little concoction I make to keep my hair strong and it helps it grow. And then I put this oil on my scalp just to, add that extra oomph when it comes to the hair growth, because if you're not protecting your hair under a protective style, then it's not a protective style. Right? Right. Yeah, low-key look like I ain't got no edges. But I do, I promise. I really promise. So next, you're going to take your thin wig cap. Thin wig caps are so important to use nowadays because when you have an HD lace wig, you want everything to look seamless. Like, you want it to really give scalp, this is my hair, this is grow out my head. Like, what? So you're going to get one of those, and they do have them at the beauty supply store. This one was included with my wig, but they do have them at the beauty supply store. You see how good it looks? Like, you don't even really have to do too much with the wig cap with it being so thin. So I'm cutting out the ear tabs now, and then I'm going to take my Frontal Queen lace adhesive, and I'm going to use that to quote unquote glue the wig cap down. So once it's tacky and it's quote unquote glued down, you're going to start cutting the wig cap. So what I do is, I got this from a girl on TikTok. I forgot her name, but I cut around the perimeter, and then I take this little extra piece and I put it over my head to kind of give me some security in the back of my head. So typically I would use shears, but I could not find my shears and we're on a time crunch. So I just used these scissors to cut the excess wig cap off. And do y'all see how seamless this wig cap is? Like, I love thin wig caps. Like, they are so amazing. So I take some like powder foundation and I put that on the wig cap, and then I will take some lace tint and kind of do a light spray to give me the perfect shade, because sometimes I'm not able to just do the powder foundation because it'll be too dark, which is weird because it's my color. But anyway, you gon' make me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning, cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game, they're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. And now it's time for the fun part. I have a t-shirt underneath because it's easier to pluck when you have like a white surface. But yeah, let's get into the wig. So right now I am taking some alcohol wipes and cleaning off my hairline from all the makeup and just dirt and oils and everything. I did wash my face before this, so yeah, but the makeup and everything needed to come off because that makes it harder for the glue to stick. So as you can see, the wig has a elastic band and it has clips. The elastic band always just makes me feel more secure, Always comes in clutch. Definitely make sure if it doesn't come with an elastic band, adding one will definitely take your wig game up to the next level. So now I'm taking my bold hold and I'm going to glue the wig down 3 layers. This wig actually can be worn glueless, but I be scared of glueless wigs. I'm not quite there yet, and I like to wear my wigs for a little longer, so I chose to glue it down, but this wig can be glueless. For all my girlies who low maintenance, don't want to do too much, this wig can be glueless. Keep that in mind when you buying it, okay? It's so much more than going to a sanctuary. A relationship is what's really necessary. If I knew So this is the last layer, the final layer, and after that I make sure you are letting it dry till it's clear, okay? If it's not clear, it's not ready to put down. So like I said, if it ain't clear, don't put that wig on. And I don't know if I said it before, but I usually will use shears, but I cannot find my shears and I was on crunch time, so I just picked up these scissors and used those. And when you see me cutting the hair with these scissors, I don't need any tips or tricks. I know I need to use shears, I just can't find them. So we're gonna use these. So now it's time to take some melting spray and just put it on top to give you that ultimate melt while you still have the lace on. I typically will do this. I'll do 1 layer before I cut the lace, and then I will do a second layer after I cut the lace, like a little double melt, if you want to call it that. So now I am just sectioning my hair off to get ready to flat iron. In this clip, I started flat ironing it and then realized that I wanted to cut layers. So you'll see shortly me cutting layers after flat ironing this little bit of hair. So I was really bracing myself because I had never cut layers before, but it wasn't that hard. Like, the left side was easy for me because I'm right-handed, but I did not know how to hold the scissors to get that right side, but obviously I got it done. It was a little short, but we made it work. And this hair was so full. I loved how thick it felt. It took very well to the heat as well. Once you see the ending, you'll see what I'm talking about. But everything about this hair was just mwah. Like, I love this hair. So back to flat ironing the hair. I love my little Baby Bliss. I got it on sale at Sally's. It's not like the Baby Bliss everybody has, but it's still Baby Bliss and it was on sale, so I got it and it gets the job done. So now I'm just cutting the lace off. I always cut down the middle and then I do one side and then the other side. That just makes it easier for me because it's a lot easier when you go side by side. You can get closer, a better cut. For me personally, if you can just do straight across or however, do it. Whatever works better for you. And I do recommend using eyebrow razors and cutting kind of jagged, because as you can see, I cut a little too straight at first and it's giving line up, and we don't want that. So make sure you cut a little jagged. And I decided to go to sleep and let my band really melt over 8 hours. And I woke up and finished it the next morning before I had to go to work. I know I said I was on a time crunch, but I lied. I really just wanted to lay down. So I finished it in the morning, and look at how melted it is. Aside from that part I gotta fix, but like we got a decent melt. So now we're going to fix all this up, and yeah. So now I'm getting started on my baby hairs. So first I'm going to section out the hair I'm using for my baby hairs. And then after that, I'm going to take my hot comb and flatten the part that is closest to the lace so it's not super bulky, because I don't have a baby flat iron, so we're going to use the hot comb. And after you do that with the hot comb, you're going to begin to cut the baby hairs so they don't look like adult hairs. And the way I cut them at a diagonal so it seems more natural and it's not like super long crazy pieces in the front.
I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me, gotta put it in a song.
So now you're going to take the mousse of your choice, preferably a really nice mousse. You're going to take that and lay down the edges. For me, it took a while for me to really perfect this. Don't use Nairobi, okay? I'm sorry. Just use any mousse but Nairobi, because it doesn't work well. At least for me, it didn't work well. So I recommend using anything but that, because you're just going to be sitting there swooping them edges all night. So use something that has more of a stick to it, because then you will have that stuck feeling, but it won't feel gunky like edge control.
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, oh, to Jesus I surrender. To
Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my hair. This hair is so bomb. She's done. It's giving scalp, it's giving color, it's giving everything, and I love her. Yeah, love her. This is a 13 by 4 180 density 20-inch wig. This is what it looks like. That's the length, and give y'all close up. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm getting back into my wig install bag, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on the post notifications. That way you get notification every time I post a video. So without further ado, I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.